pretty sure this is going to spark some serious controversy among UGC creators out there, especially in India. But I'm going to say what I'm going to say. Brands, please do not pay creators what they are worth it, okay? I said what I said, guys, and I mean it, okay? And if you want, I can say it again. Brands, please do not pay creators what they are worth it. Okay, before you come at me, I'm gonna explain what I mean, alright? And I'm pretty sure you're gonna agree with me by the end of this video, so listen. I seriously believe that creators should get paid for what they can deliver to brands and what has no place in it. Because honestly, if you think about it that way, I am worthy of a lot of things. But what has that got to do with brands paying me for what I'm worthy of, right? So then now what exactly should creators be paid for? Exactly what you deliver the brands. Are you delivering high quality? Are you delivering strategy? Are you giving brands what they asked for? Are your ads converting? Are your organic posts getting you more audience, gaining more trust among your customers? If creators deliver that, that is exactly what they are supposed to be paid for. Not just because they can keep a camera in front of them, talk or show a product like this and all. Come on, I mean even a third grader can do that. So if I want to put that in one sentence, are you giving brands what they really need? If not, why would they really care? I have literally heard so many brands in India complaining that they are not finding good UGC creators. The longer I've been in this industry, the longer I've realized that it is not exactly the brands who are exploiting creators, it is the good brands getting exploited by bad creators. Honestly, it's not supposed to be happening because everybody out here are doing business. So you gotta value your business. UGC is not about putting a camera in front of you and talking whatever you want. There is a lot of strategy that goes behind it, and all of the strategy is dependent on the brand's goal. So if you're not capable enough to fulfill the brand's goal, then why should you be paid for what you're worth? Right? In my 2 years of my UGC journey, I have never been paid just because I told the brand, you know what, I'm worth so much, just give me. No, I have been paid for the results I said I can deliver to the brand. And that can only be done when you know what you're doing, when you know something about ads, when you understand what goes behind sales, what goes behind human psychology, how to make customers trust. So when you know all of those skills, tell me why a brand would not pay you. And honestly, with the rise of creator economy, brands can have an insider create content for them. Because it's getting super hard for brands to trust creators out there. So if you want to get paid for the skills you have. If you don't have the skills, start learning those skills. Because honestly, how do you think I learned them? I was not born with them. So then you don't have to argue with brands that I'm worth so much, give me so much money. I have these skills, I'm giving you the results, give me money. Because that is more valuable than what you're doing right now. And that's what I meant to be paid for skills, not for what you're worthy of. The fact and the truth is brands are going to pay you when you have the skills. You don't have to go and ask them.